Confidence, the unwavering trust we place in our abilities, qualities, and judgment, is a profound aspect of the human experience. It's the bedrock upon which we build our personal and professional lives. The American Psychological Association offers a succinct definition, describing self-confidence as a belief that one is capable of successfully meeting the demands of a task. However, confidence is not a one-size-fits-all concept. It's multifaceted and can vary from one area of life to another. You might exude self-assurance in your professional domain but feel less certain in your personal life. Research has underscored the pivotal role confidence plays in our overall well-being, APA. The impact of confidence on achievement. Confidence is not just a feel-good sentiment, it's a catalyst for achievement. Academic research consistently highlights its far-reaching benefits. Studies indicate that individuals with higher levels of confidence tend to perform better academically. Moreover, confidence influences how we present ourselves to the world. People who radiate self-assuredness often make more favorable impressions on others, opening doors to numerous opportunities. In light of these profound effects, it becomes crucial to explore strategies to bolster our self-confidence. 9 strategies for boosting self-confidence. 1. Avoid harmful comparisons. In the age of social media, comparing ourselves to others has become almost second nature. Do you find yourself measuring your appearance against Instagram influencers or your income against that of your friends? This habit, known as social comparison theory, is a natural tendency but can be detrimental to self-confidence. A 2018 study revealed a direct link between envy and self-esteem. The more we compare ourselves to others, the more likely we are to experience envy and, subsequently, a drop in self-confidence. To counteract this, it's essential to remind ourselves that life isn't a competition. Each person has their unique journey and strengths. Maintaining a gratitude journal can help shift our focus from others' lives to our own blessings, nurturing a healthier sense of self. 2. Surround yourself with positivity. Take a moment to reflect on the impact of your friends on your self-perception. Do they uplift you, or do their judgments and negativity weigh you down? Research has consistently demonstrated the significant influence our social circles have on our thoughts and attitudes about ourselves. Therefore, it's essential to assess whether certain relationships are detrimental to your self-confidence and, if so, consider distancing yourself from such influences. Instead, seek out individuals who genuinely support your growth and well-being. Positive, supportive friendships can work wonders in nurturing self-confidence, as it often thrives in an environment. 3. Prioritize self-care. A crucial aspect of bolstering self-confidence involves caring for our bodies and minds. Engaging in self-care practices not only benefits our physical health but also enhances our self-esteem. Here are a few self-care practices linked to higher levels of self-confidence. Diet. Consuming nutrient-dense foods not only contributes to better physical health but also leaves us feeling stronger and more energized, ultimately boosting our self-esteem. Exercise. Numerous studies have established the link between physical activity and self-confidence. Regular exercise can improve body image, which in turn enhances overall confidence. Meditation. Beyond relaxation, meditation helps us accept and recognize our true selves, quelling negative self-talk and unhelpful mental chatter that can erode self-confidence. Sleep. Adequate, restorative sleep has been associated with positive personality traits, including optimism and self-esteem. Good quality sleep ensures we're emotionally equipped to tackle life's challenges. Incorporating self-care into your routine is an effective means of nurturing self-confidence, as it signifies a commitment to your well-being. 4. Cultivate self-compassion. Self-compassion is the art of treating ourselves kindly when we falter, make mistakes, or face setbacks. It allows us to navigate challenging emotions with grace, fostering a deeper connection with ourselves and others. A 2015 study even established a connection between self-compassion and self-confidence. In moments of difficulty, recognizing our humanity and offering ourselves kindness can be a powerful tool in maintaining self-assurance. 5. Practice positive self-talk. Negative self-talk can be a significant obstacle to self-confidence, as it convinces our subconscious that we are inadequate or incapable. Pessimistic self-talk often manifests as thoughts like, "I can't handle this," or "I shouldn't even try." To counteract this, it's essential to recognize that our thoughts aren't always accurate and to transform them into more positive self-talk. For example, changing "I can't handle this" to "I can do this" shifts our mindset from self-doubt to empowerment. By challenging pessimistic self-talk and reframing our thoughts, we can boost our self-confidence significantly. 6. Confront your fears. Procrastination fueled by a lack of self-confidence can hold us back from pursuing our goals and dreams. A powerful strategy for building self-confidence is to confront our fears directly. Whether it's asking someone on a date or applying for a promotion, facing our fears head-on can be transformative. Each small step forward, even if accompanied by self-doubt, contributes to increased self-confidence. It's essential to recognize that a little anxiety or occasional mistakes are not as detrimental as we often imagine. This approach can help us avoid risks that would lead to significant negative consequences. 7. Leverage your strengths. Engaging in activities where you excel can significantly boost your self-confidence. Identifying your strengths and actively working to strengthen them can enhance your self-belief. Moreover, this process can lead to greater life satisfaction, as one study found that the belief in one's ability to build on personal strengths is related to higher levels of life satisfaction. For instance, if you excel in a particular sport, commit to regular training or play sessions. If you possess a skill or talent in a specific area of your profession, seek opportunities to apply and develop it further. Building on your strengths not only boosts self-confidence but also enriches your life. 8. Know when to say no. While it's crucial to capitalize on your strengths and confront your fears, it's equally important to recognize situations that can undermine your self-confidence. If you find that a particular activity consistently leaves you feeling worse about yourself, it's okay to decline. Discomfort is a natural part of personal growth, but it's equally important to establish and respect your boundaries. Setting emotional and social boundaries can provide a sense of psychological safety and control, essential components of self-confidence. The next time someone suggests an activity that you believe may diminish your self-confidence, it's entirely acceptable to politely decline. It must not be forgotten that your self-confidence is your responsibility, and protecting it is a wise choice. 9. Set realistic goals. Goals provide direction and motivation in our lives, but setting unrealistic ones can damage our self-confidence. When we consistently fail to achieve ambitious goals, it can lead to a decline in confidence levels. Realistic goals, on the other hand, are achievable and help build confidence as we meet and surpass them. Setting realistic goals requires an honest evaluation of your capabilities. If a goal seems unattainable based on your current circumstances, consider adjusting it to align better with your abilities. For instance, in the context of weight loss, experts recommend aiming to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week for sustainable, long-term results. Establishing goals within these guidelines ensures a better chance of success and, consequently, a boost in self-confidence when you achieve them. In conclusion, self-confidence is a dynamic quality that significantly influences our lives. Nurturing self-confidence requires a deliberate effort, utilizing strategies like avoiding harmful comparisons, surrounding ourselves with positivity, practicing self-care, cultivating self-compassion, and engaging in positive self-talk. Additionally, confronting fears, leveraging strengths, knowing when to say no, and setting realistic goals all contribute to the development of a robust self-confidence that can propel us towards success and well-being. Remember that building self-confidence is an ongoing journey, and these strategies serve as valuable tools to cultivate and maintain this essential trait in our